Dear fellow travelers, welcome to a captivating exploration of the enchanting city-state of Singapore. As we embark on this journey, envision with me the tapestry of cultures, the allure of diverse cuisines, and the futuristic cityscape that defines this dynamic destination. Our mission today is to unravel the secrets of the best times to visit Singapore, navigating through the seasons, festivals, and special events that shape its year-round allure. Singapore, a tiny yet bustling metropolis, sits at the crossroads of tradition and modernity. It's a city where ancient temples stand in the shadows of sleek skyscrapers, where historic districts intertwine with futuristic developments. So, as we prepare to dive into the heart of Singapore, let's take a moment to appreciate the city's rich tapestry and acknowledge that there's always something extraordinary waiting to be discovered. In the next few minutes, we won't merely be discussing the weather and events. No, we are embarking on a virtual journey, a journey that transcends time, immersing us in the magic that is Singapore. We will navigate through the seasons like explorers of old, seeking not just the best weather but the very soul of this city. Are you ready to join me on this odyssey? Let the exploration begin. Before we dive into the specific months and festivities, let's unravel the tapestry of Singapore's climate. Picture a city where the air is thick with anticipation, and the temperature dances between warmth and humidity. Singapore boasts a tropical rainforest climate, and the protagonists of this climate story are the northeast and southwest monsoons. From December to February, the northeast monsoon gently ushers in cooler temperatures. This season is a reprieve from the typical tropical heat, offering visitors a chance to explore without the discomfort of sweltering conditions. During this period, temperatures range from 23 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius, or 73 degrees Fahrenheit to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, providing the perfect canvas for a leisurely exploration. On the flip side, from June to August, the southwest monsoon takes the stage. The temperature rises, bringing a different energy to the city. Thermometers hover between 25 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, or 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a warmer atmosphere. It's a time of vibrancy and excitement, where the city gears up for some of its most anticipated events. And then comes the inter-monsoon period, spanning from September to November. This is the transitional phase, a delicate balance where temperatures and rainfall find equilibrium. It's neither too hot nor too wet, offering visitors a Goldilocks experience, just right. As we navigate through these climate nuances, keep in mind that understanding the seasonal variations lays the foundation for an immersive Singaporean experience. Each season has its own charm, and our journey today will guide you through the intricacies, helping you decide which chapter of Singapore's climate story aligns with your travel preferences. As we step into the heart of December to February, Singapore transforms into a captivating winter escape in the heart of the tropics. The northeast monsoon sweeps through, bringing with it cooler temperatures that create an enchanting atmosphere for exploration. Imagine the city adorned with a symphony of lights and festive decorations, casting a warm glow on its bustling streets. Christmas in Singapore is not just a holiday, it's a magical experience. The air is filled with joy, and the spirit of giving is palpable. Stroll through iconic locations like Orchard Road, where the dazzling light displays and festive decorations turn the city into a winter wonderland. But the magic doesn't stop with Christmas. As the new year approaches, Singapore gears up for a celebration like no other. The city becomes a hub of excitement, with fireworks lighting up the night sky and festivities filling every corner. Secure your spot early along the Marina Bay area for a front-row seat to the spectacular New Year's Eve fireworks display. As we transition from the general holiday cheer to a more culturally immersive experience, Chinatown beckons. Chinese New Year, with its rich traditions and vibrant celebrations, takes center stage. Picture the streets adorned with intricate lanterns, the air filled with the sounds of traditional music, and the lively parades that bring the entire neighborhood to life. Chinatown during Chinese New Year is a sensory delight. From the vibrant red and gold decorations to the tantalizing aromas of special New Year dishes, every corner of this cultural enclave tells a story. Join in the festivities, witness the traditional lion and dragon dances, and be part of the collective joy that permeates the air. To help you even further, here is a pro tip: while packing for your journey, don't forget to include a light jacket for the occasional cool evening. And when it comes to accommodations, planning ahead is key. especially during this peak holiday season. Whether you're drawn to the glittering lights of Christmas or the vibrant cultural celebrations of Chinese New Year, December to February offers a unique and unforgettable chapter in the story of Singapore's year-round magic. Welcome back, fellow adventurers, as we dive into the sizzling heart of Singapore during the months of June to August. This is the time when the city truly comes alive, embracing the fervor of the southwest monsoon. As the temperature rises, so does the energy, creating an atmosphere that's nothing short of electric. Imagine a shopping haven where every corner beckons with irresistible deals. That's the magic of the Great Singapore Sale, an annual retail extravaganza that kicks off in June. As you wander through the city's iconic shopping districts, you'll be greeted by a symphony of discounts, enticing even the most discerning shopper. From high-end boutiques to bustling markets, Singapore becomes a paradise for those in search of the perfect bargain. Now, let's shift our focus from shopping bags to culinary delights. The Singapore Food Festival, another gem in the city's event calendar, takes center stage during these months. Celebrating the nation's rich culinary tapestry, this festival is a gastronomic journey that transcends boundaries. Street food stalls, Michelin-starred restaurants, and local markets unite to showcase the diverse flavors that define Singapore's food scene. From chili crab to laksa, prepare your taste buds for a symphony of flavors that will leave you craving for more. As we revel in the vibrant atmosphere, it's crucial to address the elephant in the room, the heat. Navigating Singapore's outdoor wonders during the southwest monsoon requires a strategic approach. Plan your activities for the early morning or late afternoon to avoid the peak heat, stay hydrated, and don't forget the sunscreen. With these essential tips in mind, you'll not only survive but thrive in the midst of Singapore's hot and happening season. So, whether you're a savvy shopper seeking the thrill of discounts or a culinary enthusiast ready to embark on a flavor-packed journey, June to August in Singapore is your playground. This is the time when the city's pulse beats strongest, inviting you to immerse yourself in the heart of its vibrant culture and embrace the spirit of a truly hot and happening Singapore. As we step into the embrace of September to November, Singapore gracefully transitions into the inter-monsoon period, presenting a splendid blend of temperature and rainfall. This is a time when the city-state reveals its true marvels, offering a unique charm that is not easily replicated. Picture this: lantern-lit streets casting a warm glow during the Mid-Autumn Festival. The air is filled with a sense of enchantment as families gather to celebrate under the moonlit sky. Singapore becomes a canvas of light and color, echoing with laughter and joy. And then, we venture into the heart of Little India during the celebration of Deepavali, also known as Diwali. The streets come alive with vibrant decorations, intricate columns adorning the pathways, and the aroma of traditional Indian sweets wafting through the air. It's a sensory feast that immerses you in the rich cultural tapestry of Singapore. This period, nestled between the monsoons, offers a respite from the extremes, providing a Goldilocks zone for exploration. The weather is neither too hot nor too wet, creating the perfect conditions for outdoor adventures. As you traverse the city, you'll find yourself surrounded by the lush greenery that thrives in this equable climate. A quick pro tip is to pack an umbrella, not just for the occasional rain shower, but also to symbolize your readiness to embrace the unexpected wonders that may cross your path. The inter-monsoon period in Singapore is a time of transition, a time when the city catches its breath before the next wave of festivities and celebrations. Whether you're wandering through the illuminated streets, savoring the delicacies of the season, or simply enjoying the mild weather in one of Singapore's beautiful parks, this inter-monsoon period promises a magical experience. It's a time when Singapore invites you to slow down, absorb the cultural richness, and relish in the moments that make your journey truly unforgettable. So, as you plan your visit to Singapore, consider the inter-monsoon period as more than just a bridge between seasons. It's a canvas of cultural expression, a time when the city-state reveals its soul, beckoning you to be a part of its interwoven story. Embrace the marvels that unfold during these months, and you'll discover a side of Singapore that is both captivating and serene. Now, as intrepid travelers, it's crucial to navigate beyond the calendar and explore some special considerations and tips that will elevate your Singaporean adventure. Join me as we unravel the secrets to ensuring a seamless and unforgettable experience. First on our checklist is avoiding crowds. Singapore, vibrant as it may be, can sometimes get a bit crowded, especially during major events. If you seek a more tranquil experience, strategic planning is key. Steer clear of peak times, such as during the Grand Prix in September or major holidays. This way, you can savor the beauty of Singapore without the hustle and bustle that sometimes accompanies these popular events. Now, let's talk about being a savvy traveler. Singapore, while a fantastic destination, can be a bit heavy on the wallet. Fear not, for there are ways to make your journey more budget-friendly. Consider visiting during shoulder seasons for more affordable accommodation options. With a bit of strategic planning, you can enjoy the wonders of Singapore without causing a dent in your finances. It's about finding that sweet spot between affordability and experience. A quick note on health and safety: your well-being is paramount. Singapore, like any destination, has its peculiarities. During the haze season, typically from June to October, air quality may be affected. Keep an eye on local news sources for updates, and if needed, take necessary precautions. Your health is a priority, and staying informed ensures you can enjoy your exploration of Singapore with peace of mind. As we wrap up our special considerations and tips, remember, planning is the key to a smooth and delightful journey in Singapore. Now equipped with these insights, you're ready to navigate the city-state with confidence and make the most of your adventure. As our exploration draws to a close, it's time to reflect on the myriad experiences that await you in Singapore throughout the year. This city-state, with its ever-changing tapestry of seasons and festivals, beckons you to embark on a year-round adventure unlike any other. Picture yourself wandering through the festive lights of Christmas in December or savoring the vibrant energy of the Great Singapore Sale in June. Envision lantern-lit streets during the Mid-Autumn Festival and the rich cultural celebrations of Deepavali in the months of September to November. Singapore, in essence, is not merely a destination. It is an unfolding story, and you have the unique opportunity to be part of each chapter. Whether you're drawn to the cool and festive ambiance of December to February, the hot and happening energy of June to August, or the inter-monsoon marvels from September to November, Singapore has something special in store for every season. Your adventure is not confined to a particular month or event. It's a tapestry woven with the threads of cultural diversity, culinary delights, and natural beauty. So, as you plan your journey, consider the rhythm of the seasons, the beat of the festivals, and the unique character each period brings to Singapore. Immerse yourself in the festive lights, the cultural celebrations, and the culinary feasts. Singapore is a canvas waiting for your brushstroke, a melody waiting for your harmony. As you venture forth, armed with the insights from our exploration, remember that the magic of Singapore isn't confined to a particular time frame. It's a constant, a symphony playing year-round. So, go ahead, plan your year-round Singapore adventure, and let the city-state enchant you with its ever-changing, ever-vibrant spirit. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. You can even visit our website at travelupic.com to get some cool travel gear for your next travel venture. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. With that, I would like to thank you once again for joining us on this immersive journey. Until next time, happy travels, and may your Singapore adventure be as diverse and captivating as the city itself.